Just a few quick steps on getting the Google Translate Chrome extension. I'm going to search for Google Translate extension. Okay, this is the web store link right here, so I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to choose Add to Chrome. You'll see once it's added, I'm going to have an icon show up. I don't necessarily need to sign into Chrome. I'm just going to leave that here. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to look at how this extension will work. So say if I've got an essay here, I've got an assignment, anything that's in the Google Chrome browser, except for maybe a PDF, anything that's just, like a website or a Google Doc, I can come here to Google Translate. And I can choose simply translate this page if I want to. Okay, and then this says translated to English, so then I'm going to want to choose Spanish. And now I've got the essay in Spanish, and then I can go back to show original if I want to. Okay, another way to use Google Translate is just to take portions of a website so if I just wanted to translate part of this page, I'm going to click on Google Translate. I'm going to copy the part that I want. I guess you can copy it first, that might be better. And then it's going to go ahead and pull up here, and I'm going to choose what I want this to be translated into, but I have to click in Open in Google Translate. So this is just kind of, if you use it this way, it's just a quick link to Google Translate, and then I can say I want from English to Spanish, from Spanish to English. There's also an option to read this aloud if the students prefer that it be read aloud. Okay, so just a good, helpful tool for students who are primarily Spanish speaking.